welcome back to my channel. Today topic is BARC Part 2 Electronic Instrumentation and Computer. BARC Research and Development Programming Electrical and Electronic Instrumentation and Computer Field Nuclear Science and Technology. These are resulted developed by various indigenous technology field nuclear energy many control instrumentation system including service inspection system were designed by developed and deployed nuclear reactor ranging from PHWR, AHWR, LWR, PFBR to new generation research reactor and CIFR reprocessing facility developed by simulation and nuclear power plant are the immunities provided by best training and facility to reactor personnel and also licensing reactor operator. Core competency cover with a wide spectrum and include process sensor, radiation detector, nuclear instrument, microelectronic, MEMS, embedded real-time system and modeling and simulation computer network, high integrity software engineering, high performance TAQ system, high voltage supply, digital signal processing, image processing, deep learning, motion control, security electronic, medical electronics, etc. Development stabilization system for seeker antenna, platform unit, LCA, HAL, Tejas multimode radar, servo system, Indian Deep Space Network, IDSN 32 to 32 meter antenna which is tracked Chandrayaan-1 and Mangalyaan instrument PH for oil pipeline inspection. Servo control camera electronic, MAC telescope, radiometry and radiation monitoring system, etc. Various technologies spin-off including product and developed by industrial, medical, transportation, security, aerospace and defense application. Generic electronic product like the qualified program logic control platform TPLC 32 suitable for the development safety critical application reactivity matters and machinery production system, security gadgets for physical production access control system, perimeter intrusion detection and system, CCTV and video surveillance system, scanning electron microscope, communication system have been developed as part of the indigenous process. Material science and engineering. Material science and engineering plans are important role in all aspects of including sustaining, providing support for Indian nuclear program and also developing advanced technology, mineral containing element interest, DAE example, uranium, rare earth element, take up other developing beneficiation of technique and flow sheet of improve metal value is the extraction. Metallic uranium required for the research reactor produced by improvement of process efficiency, operating uranium melts and done of input and implement plan and uranium corporation of India process flow sheet in the separate individual rare earth from different resources including from secondary source of scrap used product and developed by demonstrated and technology transfer Indian rare earth center limited IRL for the production and plant. All the requirement for refractory of material DAE application including neutron observer application are being the made by research and development production material group of material group work and development flow sheets process for the material DAE plant application TI sponge advanced by alloy coating using various processes including pack cementation, chemical vapor, physical vapor, electroplating, electrolysis, plating, recovery, purity of cobalt from various waste of scrap and material have been used to demonstrate technology transfer of production. Research and aim to advance material technology using thermodynamic, mechanics, simulation and modeling characteristics and performance evaluation done by study aim to understanding radiation damage material and undertaken using advanced CARSAT technique help by alloy developed by material degradation assessment activities, generation of thermophysical and defect of property data of nuclear material, example thorium based mixed and oxide metallic fuel studied by FEZR, alloys engine natural synthetic mineral of host for the metallic waste immobilization through the modeling and simulation being pursued, development naval solvent of extract collected by development from element from the nuclear waste of the medical and application specific metallic value from e-waste being done. Technology such as large scale synthesis carbon nanotube, CNT, low carbon ferroalloy, FEV, MFMO, FENB, FEW, FETA and FEC production tungsten and metal and tungsten heavy alloy, WHA production, zirconium, dipyrite, EZR B2 powered and fabrication to high density EZR2 shape have been realized. Chemical engineering is science. Key feature underlying development of effort are self-reliance, achieving product with the very high purity specification, working with the separation process, characterized by low separation factor, aiming high recoveries, optimal utilization, scarce resource, environmental virginity, high energy efficiency, stable continuous operation, non-power application, nuclear technology has been demonstrated area water desalination using technology such as multi-stage flash distillation and multi-effect of distillation with the thermo-Weber compression. Immediate TVC membrane technology have been deployed not only nuclear waste treatment but the society large line of the Jal Jeevan mission government India to provide safe drinking water with the household level of development and demonstration of the fluorides bed technology application in the nuclear fuel cycle synthesis and evaluation of the novel extractant synthesis DBM material synthesis lithium titanate bubbles molecular modeling various phenomena such as formation of hydrogen and isotope through the different metal desalination using carbon nanotube effect of composition class and property relevant the vitrification design solvent and metal organic framework application micro reactor for the identification specific process developed by low temperature freeze and desalination process environment friendly integrated zero liquid and discharge based desalination system treatment industrial effluent of new generation membranes such as high performance graphene based on nano composite membrane for the dialysis for osmosis and metallic membrane hydrogen generation and storage various process of electrochemical water splitting and iodine sulfur into thermochemical copper chloronohydrate and thermochemical cycle developed by absorptive gel and material for the specific separation heavy water upgradation metal coating for various applications such as membrane perimeter neutron generator and the special application fluorescence bed of chemical vapor deposition and special chemical process application ultrasound technology UT pre-cooled modified Glad cycle based on 50 L by hour capacity helium liquefier LHP 50 was the developed by the commission by Bark and Trompai major component technology involved LHP 50 include the ultra high speed gas bearing supported by miniature turbo expander and compact red fin head of exchanger along with the cryogenic pipe long stem valve all the household inside the LHP 50 and cold box other major equipment include coaxial helium transfer line and liquid helium in the receiver vessels environment radiology radiochemical science Bark also monitor environmental impact and dust risk of dissemination and assessment of radiological and chemical containment of environmental surveillance radiation production for the entire nuclear fuel cycle facility meteorological and hydrogeological investigation DAE sites modeling for contaminant transfer dispersion on the atmosphere and hydrosphere radiological impact assessment waste management and disposal practice of development by environmental radiation monitoring system and established by country-wide radiation monitoring network established by benchmark for assessing radiological impact of nuclear power activities on the marine environment. Highlight of these program position and postunium chemistry, oxygenate and chemistry and spectroscopy, iodoskope, hydrology, water resource management, radio racer for the industrial applications, preparation and purification of new radionuclides and medical application, advanced fuel development by salt gel and method, chemical quality control, nuclear fuel, compensation and speciation of actinides, separation method developed for the back end of fuel cycle process. Other major research project were thermophysical property evaluation, molten salt breeder reactor, MSBR system developed by core catcher material, hydrogen mitigation catalyst, hydrogen production and hydrogen storage material, nanotherapeutics and biosensor decontamination of reactor component, biofueling and control thermal ecology study, supermolecular chemistry, environment and interfacial chemistry, ultra-fast reaction, dynamic single molecular spectroscopy, synthesis and application, nanomaterial, cold plasma application, luminescent of material and bioimaging material, light and emitting device of security application, etc. Health, food, agriculture, development of new allied crop variety including oilseed and pulses using radiation analysis, hybridization and DC culture technique. 49 crop variety have been developed, released and gazetted notified commercial cultivation developed by molecular marker. Transgenius biosensor filter formulation with improved by nutrient use efficiency of understanding DNA damage repair replication redox. Biology and autophagy process and developed by radiosynthesis, chemiosynthesis, cancer therapy design the synthesis of organ fluorophore, organic electronic molecule relevant to nuclear science and social benefit. Advanced technology and health design and synthesis of organ fluorophores and organic electronic molecule relevant to nuclear science and society of benefit. Advanced technology synthesis developed by nuclear medical ligament and diagnosis of therapy of cancer and other disease. Asymmetric total synthesis arcona catalytic method green chemistry approach of synthesis of biological component RD activities in the frontier area radiation biology for understanding effect of low and high LED radiation, chronic acute radiation exposure, high background radiation and radio nuclear exposure on mammalian cell, cancer cell, experimental rodent and human health. Clinical and translation research of aim to develop a new drug therapeutics and prevention of mitigation radiation injury, decarborization, heavy metal treatment, inflammatory of disorder cancer, studying macromolecular structure and protein ligand interaction using biophysical technique like X-ray scattering, circular dichromosome and synchronous radiation with the aim of initial design of therapeutic molecule, understanding the cellular and molecular basis, stress response, bacteria, plants and animal, understanding externally resistant to DNA damage and oxidative stress of tolerance bacteria, epidemic and epigenetic regulation, alternate splicing plant and mammalian cell, development of CRISPR Cas meditate, genome editing technology, both bases applied by research and engaged, development of gene technology and product by biomedical application, studying on uranium, sequestration by nostoc and bacteria isolated from uranium mines, research and developed by novel rate, pharmaceutical for diagnosis and therapeutic purpose, synthesis separate from the suitable precursors for using radio labeling with the diagnosis 99M TC and therapeutic 177 Lu, 153 SM and 160 HO, 180 by 180 RG, 109 PD, 90 Y and 175 YB, 170 TM radioisotope in the preparation agent of intended by use for pharmaceutical custom preparation of special searches, source of to suit the requirements of Defence Research Organisation of India, DRDO, National Research Laboratory and such National Physics Research Laboratory, ISRO, etc. India 3-stage nuclear power program. India 3-stage nuclear power program was formed by Homi Bhabha in the 1950 to secure country along with the term of energy independent through the use of uranium and thorium research found in Manazoit sand coastal region of South India. Ultimate focus on program on the enabling the thorium reserve India utilized in the meeting country and energy requirement of thorium particularly attractive for India in has only the around the 1 to 2% of global uranium reserve, but one of the largest share of global thorium reserve at about of 25% of the world renowned thorium reserves. Stage 1 pressurized heavy water reactor. First stage program natural uranium fueled pressurized heavy water reactor PHWR produce electricity while generating plutonium 239. Product PHWR was natural choice for implementing first stage because it has most efficient and reactor design in terms of uranium utilization and existing Indian infrastructure in the 1960 allowed the quick adoption of PHWR technology. Natural uranium content only 0.7% of the fissile isotopes of uranium 235. Most of the remaining 99.3% uranium 238 which is not be fissile but the can be converted to reactor fissile isotope plutonium 239 heavy water deuterium oxide D2O used to moderate and coolant. Stage 2 fast breeder reactor. Second stage of fast breeder reactor FBR would be mixed oxide MOX fuel made from plutonium 239 recovered by reprocessing spent fuel from the first stage of natural uranium. FBR plutonium 239 undergoes the fission of produce energy while the uranium 238 present the mixed oxide fuel transmute and additional plutonium 239. Those are stage second and FBR designated by breed more than fuel they consume the once inventory of plutonium 239. Unit of the thorium can be introduced blanket material reactor and transmitted uranium 233 from the use of third stage. Thorium based reactor monazite powder rare earth of thorium phosphate mineral and primary source of the world thorium. Stage 3 reactor advanced nuclear power system involved self sustaining series thorium 232 uranium 233 fuel reactor. This would be thermal breeder of reactor which is principle can be used refueled of after initial fuel charge and using only natural occurring thorium. According to 3-stage program Indian nuclear energy could be grow to about 10 gigawatt through the PHWR fueled by domestic uranium and growth above that would be how to come from FPR till about the 50 gigawatt. Third stage deploy only after capacity has been achieved. Parallel approaches as the long delay before the direct thorium utilization. 3-stage program the country looking at the reactor design of allow the more direct using thorium parallel with the sequential 3-stage program. Option 2 under the consideration are the accelerated driven system IADS advanced heavy water reactor AHWR combined high temperature reactor molten salt reactor also under the development. Indian Department Atomic Energy ES Fermilab are designing unique first two kind of accelerated driven system. No country has not be bullet on accelerated driven system powered by power generator Savarkar, former chairman of Atomic Energy Commission, called this mega science project necessity for the humankind. Reactor design. Park has developed a wide array nuclear reactor design, nuclear research, production, radioisotope, naval propulsion and electricity generation. Purnima 1 plutonium oxide fuel 1 MWTH pulsed fast reactor that we will be building the starting 1970 went critical on 18 May 1972 to primarily support the validation of design parameter to development plutonium 239 powered by nuclear weapon on 25th anniversary of the 1974 Pokhran nuclear test. Purnima design P.K. Iyengar reflector reactor critical role in Purnima was naval device bullied with about 20 kg plutonium variable geometry of reflector and a unique control system. These gave considerable experiments and helped to benchmark calculation regarding the behavior of chain reacting system made out the plutonium kinetic behavior of the system just above the critical about good well the studied very clever physics good then be calculate the behavior of core bomb and isotropic comparison what the critical parameter would be how to achieve the optimum explosive power of independence and dependence of the first self-sustaining neutron trigger where the all investigated was decommissioned in 1973. Purnima 2 uranium 233 fuel 100 megawatt vertical tank type of thermal reactor bullied to support uranium 233 fuel study and was decommissioned in 1986. Purnima 3 uranium 233 fuel 1 WDH vertical tank type thermal reactor bullied to conduct mock-up studies of for the Kamini reactor bullied at the IGCER Kalpakam was decommissioned in 1996. FBDR fast breeder test reactor. FBDR is the breeder reactor located at Kalpakam, India. Indira Gandhi Center of Atomic Research, IGCER, Baba Atomic Research Center, BARC jointly designed, construct and the operate the reactor was designed to produce 40 megawatt thermal power and 13.2 megawatt electrical power. Initial nuclear fuel core used to FBDR consists of approximately 50 kg weapon grade plutonium reactor use a plutonium uranium mixed carbide and fuel and liquid sodium of coolant. Fuel is an indigenous mix 70% plutonium carbide, 30% of uranium carbide. Plutonium fuel extracted from the irritated and Madras power reactor and reprocessed by Tarapur. Some of the uranium created from the transmutation of the thorium bundle that are also placed in the core using experience gained from the operation of FPDR 500 megawatt T brought at a fast breeder reactor PFPA advanced stage construction at the Kalpakam. Commercial reactor and power generation. Pressurized heavy water reactor. Park has developed by various sizes of IPHWR class pressurized heavy water reactor powered by natural uranium of first stage 3-stage nuclear power program which produce electricity and plutonium 239 to power fast breeder reactor being developed by IGCER for the second stage of the program. IPHWR class was developed from the Cantu reactor bullet RAPS in the Rawapetta, Rajasthan as the 2023 successfully a larger design IPHWR 220, IPHWR 540WR 700 electricity generation capacity 220 MWE 540 MWE 700 MWE respectively have been developed. Advanced heavy water reactor. BARC developing 300 MWE advanced heavy water reactor designed by power by thorium 232 and uranium 233 to power of the third stage Indian 3-stage nuclear power program. AHWR standard set the closed nuclear fuel cell. AHWR 300 expect to have design life close to 100 years and will be utilized uranium 233 produced in the fast breeder reactor being developed by IGCER Indian molten salt breeder reactor. IMSBR the platform of burn thorium part of third and stage Indian nuclear power program. The fuel IMSBR form of continuously circulating molten fluoride and salt of which flow the through of heat exchange ultimately transferring heat from power production to the supercritical CO2 based Brayton cycle. SCBC has to have larger energy conversion ratio compared to existing power conversion cycle because fluid fuel are online reprocessing possible and extracting 233 PA forming conversion chain of 232 TH to 233 U and allowing the decay of 233 U outside core of those making possible breed even in thermal neutron spectrum. Hence IMSBR can be operated self-sustaining 233 U fuel cell additional being thermal reactor 233 U requirement of lower as compared past spectrum allowing higher deployment potential. Light water reactor. BARC with the experience gained from the development of light water reactor Arihan class submarine submarine and developing large 900 MWE pressurized water reactor design known as Khan class submarine developing large 900 MWE pressurized water reactor design known as IPWR 900 design will including generation third plus safety feature like passive decay heat removal system, emergency core cooling system, ECCS and the Corium retention and core catcher system. Marine propulsion nav application. BARC has developed multiple design of light water reactor design suitable nuclear marine propulsion. Indian Navy submarine beginning with CLWR B reactor design. Erihan class submarine total 4 submarine will be built on this class. Indian and NPT. Indian not part of nuclear non-proliferation treaty. NPT citing the concern of unfairly favor establishment nuclear power and provide the no provision and complete nuclear disarmament. Indian officer argued Indian refusal sign of treaty segment from a fundamental discriminatory character. Treaty place of restriction non-nuclear weapon state but does not little to curb modernization and expansion of nuclear arsenal nuclear weapon state. More recently, India and Interstates Agreement enhanced nuclear cooperation between two countries under the Indian participate International Consortium of Fusion Research ITER International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor Civilian Research. BARC also research biotechnology and Gamma Garden has developed numerous disease resistant and high yielding crop variety of particular groundnut that also connected by hydrodynamic power generation on 4 June 2005 intending encourage research basic science of BARC started Homi Bhabha National Institute of Research institution affiliated by BARC Atomic Research Center include IGCER Indira Gandhi Center of Atomic Research RRCT Raja Ramana Center Advanced Technology VECC Variable Energy Cyclotron Center power project that have benefited from BARC expertise but which fall under the NPCL Nuclear Power Corporation India Limited KAPP Kakrapar Atomic Power Project RAPP Rajasthan Atomic Power Project and TAPP Tarapur Atomic Power Project. Bhabha Atomic Research Center in addition nuclear research mandate also conduct research of high technology areas like accelerated micro electron beam material design supercomputer and computer vision among the few. BARC has dedicated department of this specialized field. BARC has designed by developed for own infrastructure supercomputer Anubhav using state of the art and